How to add a Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. This tutorial shows you how to add a Visa gift card as a payment method on Amazon. First, open your browser and go to Amazon.com. After that, sign in to your Amazon account. From there, click on Accounts and Lists at the top right. At this point, click on Your Payments. In the next step, click on Add a Payment Method. Following this, select Credit or Debit Card from the list of options. Once done, enter the card number, expiration date, and security code found on your Visa gift card. From here, enter a billing address, since most Visa gift cards require one to be added even if it doesn't match the card exactly. At this stage, click Add Your Card to save it to your account. Keep in mind, unlike Amazon gift cards, a Visa gift card isn't added as a balance, it's saved as a payment method and gets charged at checkout instead. Finally, select this card manually at checkout whenever you want to use its balance for a purchase. And that's it. If this guide helped you add a Visa gift card to your Amazon account, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.